Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're going to dive into a side-by-side comparison of Basecamp and Notion, two unique platforms that help teams stay productive and organized. So I'll break down their features, ease of use, pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a quick look at both platforms. Basecamp is a straightforward collaboration tool that brings together communication, task management, and scheduling in one place. It's designed to simplify how teams work together, especially for those who prefer a minimal setup without a complicated setup process. It's a great option if you want a central hub for your projects and team discussions. On the other hand, Notion is more of a customizable all-in-one workspace. It's flexible enough to be used for notes, databases, wikis, task lists, and even full project dashboards. Unlike Basecamp, Notion doesn't come with a fixed structure. Instead, it gives you building blocks that you can arrange however you want. If you enjoy creating your own systems or you need a tool that can double as a knowledge base, then Notion gives you that freedom. Now let's talk about features. So Basecamp gives you your message boards, real-time group chat, to-do list, shared calendars, document storage, and automatic check-ins. It's built for communication and coordination with everything inside a single project space. The tools are intentionally simple, making it easy for any team to adopt without training. Meanwhile, Notion shines with its modular design. You can create pages and fill them with different types of content like tables, Kanban boards, timelines, and calendars. It also supports nested pages and relational databases, which is perfect for teams that need deep organization. Notion doesn't have built-in group chat or advanced task automation, but its strength lies in its adaptability. So you can mold it into a lightweight CRM, a project planner, or even a personal journal. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Basecamp is clean, intuitive, and doesn't require any setup. You get started right away and everything is laid out in a familiar way. But if you're looking for advanced customization, it might feel limited. Notion, on the other hand, offers endless flexibility, but it comes at the cost of simplicity. New users might feel overwhelmed at first since they need to build out their own systems from scratch. However, once it's set up, it becomes a very powerful tool. When it comes to integrations, Notion offers more flexibility. It connects with popular tools through third-party services like Zapier, and its API allows deeper customization. Basecamp's integrations are fewer and mostly focused on communication and file sharing apps, while Basecamp's integrations are fewer and mostly focused on communication and file sharing apps, which might not be enough for more complex workflows. Now let's talk about pricing. So Basecamp has three plans. You got your free, your Plus, and your Pro Unlimited. The free plan doesn't cost anything and it stays free forever. The Plus plan is $15 per user per month. The Pro Unlimited plan is $299 per month if you pay yearly. Notion has four plans. The free plan is $0. The Plus plan is $12 per seat per month, and the business plan is $18 per seat per month, and the enterprise plan is custom priced. So which one should you go for? Well, if you want a ready-to-go tool focused on team collaboration and simplicity, then Basecamp is the way to go. But if you're after something flexible that lets you build your own workspace from scratch, then Notion is going to be the better fit, especially for teams who enjoy customization and need more than just task management. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.